Hello, welcome back to another episode of my smart home. Today we have another Philips Hue product, and this is the Play Gradient Light Bar, light tube. I think it's typically meant to be installed around your TV and behind, and provide some accent lighting around your TV, but I'm going to do something a little bit different with it today. You'll see in a bit, but let's do a quick unboxing. Oh, very minimal. It's just the light tube inside. Got a little box, power adapter, got the brick, cable. This looks like not sure what this is for yet. Instruction manual. Very nice touch from Philips Hue. I've seen this on a couple other products. Instead of just plastic wrap or bubble wrap around the end, there's this nice little cloth sleeve. It's a nice little touch, I guess. Always nice to see when you buy a premium product, or maybe not premium, but expensive. Although I think Philips Hue are fairly well recognized as being a premium product. Come on. Okay, so yeah, this little brick here is an adapter for the light bar. So we would have to plug this in first, but you have to be very cautious because there are very thin pins. So you don't want to get any misalignment because you will bend those pins on the inside. There you go, that clips in. Then the cable goes into there. And then into the power brick. And there you go. This is the Philips Hue Play Gradient Light Tube. So yeah, this is what I have in store for the light tube. I want to do some accent lighting around my bike that's in storage for the winter up here in Canada. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to put the light tube right here in front of the bike or in behind. We'll probably test out both positions and figure out which one I like better, or maybe you guys could help me decide. And I'm just seeing this now, but to get the right orientation, you could pivot these blocks nearly 360 degrees, maybe about 300 degrees, so you could get the light aiming in the exact direction that you want it to aim. I'm gonna try first putting the light bar in front of the bike. Okay, there you go. Plugged it in and it turned on right away as expected. So now I'm just gonna pair it to my Philips Hue app. So it's searching for new lights in the app. There we go, number of lights found, 1. Start configuration, perfect. Play gradient tube. So I'm gonna just name this one light tube. done. So yeah, if you're not familiar with the Gradient or the Philips Hue Gradient products, I have the Gradient scene lamp in my bedroom, but you could basically do any configuration you want with the lights. You have 3 nodes that you can move around and position where you want them. So right now I have purple to pink, fading to yellow/green. We're gonna make that more green down below. And yeah, that's pretty cool. We'll just hit done on that. And now I'm gonna drag my light into the living room, like so. Next, entertainment area. So yeah, that's super cool. You could sync it to movies. I'll probably do another video on that. You could set up different areas depending where you are in your house, which room you are, which devices you have in your room. You could set up multiple entertainment areas, but I'm gonna skip this for now. Success, your lights are ready to use. Another cool thing here, so I have play bars and the light tube. So if I hit light tube, you could do, software update. Okay, so I think it's gonna run through an update at 2 in the morning or something like that. I can't seem to figure out how to accelerate that software update. So for when you're in the Philips Hue app, you could set multiple hue scenes. So I'm gonna set it to Cancun. I just got back from Cancun actually. So setting the hue scenes changed my light bars, which is behind the cameras. I can spin that around in a second. And it also sets the light tube. So it's using the hue scene for all the lights in my living room. All my Philips Hue lights specifically. So that's the light bar on Cancun mode. Spin this around. Those are my play bars on light bar, or play bars on Cancun scene mode. So to get a better vibe, I'm gonna shut the lights off here and see what this looks like in the dark. That looks pretty cool. See if I could brighten this up a bit, give you a better idea on what it looks like. There we go, we'll go with that. I think that looks pretty neat, but I'm just gonna slide the light bar in behind and see how that looks. So now I got the light bar in behind, casting a shadow, or casting its light up on the wall in behind. I mean, that looks pretty sweet too. I'm gonna spin the light around so that it throws the light up at the bike. It's getting very easy to reposition the light, get the angle you want. I don't like that as much, to be honest. I think it's either behind the bike pointing at the wall, or in front of the bike pointing back at the bike. Here we go, it's back at the front of the bike. I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. Maybe I'm gonna capture it on video, but I'm gonna see what happens if I pick the light up and just kind of hold it at the bike. I could do something funky and mount it on the back of my couch so that it's something like that. I don't know how that looks on the camera, but I'll have to take a look afterwards. That might be cool as well. I have it back further, away from the bike. That looks even better, I think. Just helps the angle of the light bar a little bit more in that orientation. Cool. It's kind of in the way though. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now. I'm sure I'll probably change it at some point in time, but let's see, that's probably how it realistically looks on camera. Could change the vibe here, go to more blue. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oh, I could brighten it up. Yeah, that looks pretty badass. I like that. My bike here in the living room. But my bike this year is gonna be my Christmas tree. I'm gonna put some Christmas lights around it. Yeah, I dig that. There you go. There's a quick little intro to the Philips Hue Play Gradient Light Tube. Let me know if you have any questions.